Today I will show you how you can remove the proudly powered by WordPress footer credits from 2019 WordPress theme. Now to begin, first you need to go to your admin dashboard. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. Here go to additional CSS. Now enter the CSS code given in the description of the video. Now click on the publish button to save the changes. Go back to your website and refresh the page. There you go, the footer credits should be now gone. Now if you want to remove the whole copyright section including your website URL, then you can use a different CSS code for this. The CSS code will be in the description. Click on the publish button again. Refresh the page. There you go, the whole footer section is now gone, and that is how you can remove the proudly powered by WordPress footer credits from your 2019 WordPress theme. Now if you need any help, then you can comment down below in the comment section. Thank you.